Assalamu alaikum, knowledge seekers. Today we are here again with our new experiment. Ahil, what is the experiment today?
Make a thermometer.
Yes, a simple thermometer we will make today.
Yeah.
So what thermometer does? Thermometer measures the temperature of anything.
Yeah.
Yes.
So today we are doing experiment with the water. With the water we will make the thermometer. What are the things we need? And the list is here.
Okay, so we need fire extinguisher and the bottle.
Fire extinguisher is for the safety purpose.
Yeah.
So
Okay, and water and modeling clay, as we bought the whole clay, and card and straws and scissors, and this glass is just for my safety because something are dangerous, and food color
food color.
and this.
This is the hot gun, hot air gun to make it hot, so we can measure the temperature. So first of all, safety first.
Ready for
So we will start with water.
okay.
So first of all, we need to pour the water inside our bottle.
Pour the water inside our bowl. Which one? Ready.
Okay. Now our water is ready. So second thing we will need is molding clay. But before that, we need to pour some
Food color.
food color into the water.
Wow. I don't
We
know.
will mix it up.
Orange or any food color color.
Now, the second thing we need is the we will place this like this, and we need to cover this up and make it airtight with the molding clay.
Okay.
Make it airtight.
So no air can come out.
So now the next step is we have to blow into the straw to rise the water. Water almost in between or in the middle of the straw. I will blow the straw and I will tell you when to stop. Stop. Leave it. More blow. Move it. Stop. Water is almost in the center. Now we need to make the reading.
Okay. So we will fold it in half like you do sometimes the first step. And it goes on. Okay, we need to make something up.
Yes.
Okay, I'll open it.
So this will be our gauge now. Now next step is we have to place our gauge onto that straw. And now we will mark our current reading where the water is here. I take one
So
more
we
marker.
will need three kinds of markers. We get one.
This is the first marker I marked where the water is currently. No, other side. One, two, yes. So now you can see here in the camera. You see, water is currently at this level.
Yeah.
So now we will do heat up this water bottle.
And be careful, this is so hot. There is the fire.
If you can see, water is rising.
But, okay. But how is it rising? Wow.
Water is coming out.
Oh, no. Oh, there is no.
This is too much hot. Now we will mark
Ooh.
what is the higher limit.
Higher limit is too much high.
I don't want one.
This is too much high.
I want one.
Yes.
I want one.
And
I want one.
now
Okay.
the fun part. I'll place this in cold water.
What?
The bottle.
Okay, let me just put this inside. Wait, don't let it go too much.
Let's check our temperature or gauge will go down.
Yeah. Ooh, so cool. It's going down, but not that much. It's going slowly.
Give it some time.
Yeah. Time.
It is going slowly down.
Yeah. So we have different kinds, okay? So we use two. Let's see. Did you get enough done? Not yet. More down. Give it some time.
Yes, it is gradually cooling down the water.
Yeah.
So once the water will cool down, water will go down in the straw.
Okay. So how is the water coming up by it?
Oh, that is an interesting question. So this is our science experiment. What actually does is water and mostly things when they are heat up or the temperature rises, they expand.
Expand means?
Expand means they become larger.
Larger, oh yeah.
So for example, if we have 1 liter of water in one container that is taking this much space, when we will heat it up, it will take more space. And when it is cooled down, it will take less space.
But what?
But this is the same water.
Oh, same.
Same water take more space when it is heated up and less space when it is cooled down.
Yeah, but it's the same water you mean. So when it get heat, so then what makes it go up? Like
Oh, that is another interesting question.
what is the thing which make it up?
Yes. So inside every liquid or gas, there are molecules, and those molecules are not sitting at their place. They are vibrating,
Orbiting the
and
yeah.
they are taking some space. This is one molecule. This is one molecule. Each molecule is vibrating, but when we heat it up, their movement or vibration become more.
So that's why it can go up and up.
Yes, then when the vibration is more, it take more space for one molecule. That's why we feel it more expanded. See? Now the water is cooled down, the gauge has gone down. Mark the lower level, the cold level.
And kind of go cold.
Mama, I'm doing a rainbow. What that?
Yes. So now we have 3 gauges: normal water, hot water, and cold water. And
Yeah, so I want to ask one question that you know that the water gets up when it heats, right?
yes,
So what fills it to get up? What is the thing which fills?
because in the water, when it heats up, the molecules vibration become more and more. They need more space to do that vibration or their movement.
Mhm.
So
then how do they get more space? What make it get more space?
yes, the heat cause them to get more space. Actually, this is their movement right now in the small area. So they are in small space.
Mhm.
But when their movement is more, it will push the other molecules on side.
Yeah.
So that way they will take more space. They are hitting each other in more force. So they are making it expand.
Now I understand.
And after that, this is quiz time. Pick a card. Isha Azan has started, so we will stop and wait for the Azan to complete.
الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن محمدا رسول الله أشهد أن محمدا رسول الله
It's Ahil's quiz time. Ahil, the question is Allah says in Quran, believers, avoid much, indeed some, is a sin, and do not spy on one another, and do not backbite. What is the evil mentioned in the blanks here? Believers, avoid much blank, indeed some blank is a sin. Boastfulness, suspicion, conversation.
Suspicion.
And the answer is correct, suspicion. So the verse will be believers, avoid much suspicion. Indeed, some suspicion is a sin. And do not spy on one another, and do not backbite. That is a very important moral lesson as well. Okay, guys, so we have learned today a new science experiment, new science topic. Hope we have learned so much.
Yeah, so
Allah Hafiz.
Hafiz.